So John chapter 16 describes a new regime. It's just like when a new government comes into power. The policies that they might support might be different from the policies of the past government. Their emphasis in terms of development might be in other sectors other than that which was priority on the table of the previous government. Now, Jesus is saying to us that there's about to be a change of regime, and my style of the administration of the economy of God might be different from that which the next actor might decide to use. So that we don't miss out on the move of God, he takes time to explain this actor that is coming on the stage. He says, how be it? When the Spirit of truth is come. I remember in the university, even though in the science class, if it's a course that is very abstract, like in organic chemistry, it's very abstract. But if it's a theoretical course like analytical physics, analytical chemistry, relatively theoretical, we know we have an A. So we had already taken stock of the courses we're doing, and we had already graded ourselves that this is an A, this A, this A, this B. Unfortunately for us, the lecturer that teaches the theoretical courses went on sabbatical leave, and there was only one man in the science faculty that had the academic stature to stand in for the guy that left. This man, he has a master's degree in electrical electronics engineering, master's degree in mathematics, a master's degree in organic chemistry, a master's degree in botany, a master's degree, I've forgotten, in quantum chemistry, master's degree in quantum chemistry. The man doesn't speak in words, he speaks with numbers, figures. He converted our theoretical courses to calculations and abstract calculations, that is abominations. Started the class by deriving an equation that only the scientists that built the pyramid in Egypt use. He has two sets of spectacles. You wear this one, and then wear another one on this one. And you can imagine what happened. There was mass failure. Not because the course is changed, it's just because the lecturer changed. So what I'm telling you now is Jesus is introducing another lecturer. That's what I'm talking about. If you don't understand how this lecturer dispenses knowledge, you will fail. You will fail. Just like many of you have failed now. Oh, you don't believe you failed. Wait, he comes introducing the lecturer. He says, how be it? When he, the Spirit of truth, is come. You know, if it were Jesus, Jesus will come. You know, Jesus said, I have so many things to say to you, but you cannot bear it. So Jesus' style of dispensing truth is by saying, is by teaching, is by talking. But Jesus is saying that when the Spirit of truth comes, he will not use the outlet of saying.